Franz Tost is set to leave his post as Alpha Tauri team principal, formerly known as Toro Rosso, after 18 years and be replaced by Laurent Mekies, former sporting director of Ferrari. Now, I think after 18 years, Franz Tost deserves to retire. He is 67 years old. I think he did a tremendous job, and I can't wait to see how Laurent Mekies is gonna get on. My feeling is that Ferrari may want to end up purchasing purchasing Alpha Tauri from Red Bull, but I've got no evidence to substantiate that. So that is just what I'm predicting that could happen. Anyway, this is just what I'm thinking. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Cheers for watching. If you do like my content, then don't forget to smash the big red button that says subscribe on it. Always activate the bell so you never miss out on another video. Alright, cheers for watching, and I would love to hear your thoughts. Laters.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough